A sauce to some people acts as a meal accompaniment and a taste enhancer to others. Each culture has its own unique sauce that complements their respective cuisine. A sauce adds flavor to any simple dish. While some are spicy, which may set your mouth on fire, while others are not. The spicy elements depend on the place of origin. Have a look at the famous sauces around the world. PONZU is a famous sauce from Japan. The taste of this sauce is just like soy sauce but has a citrus kick. You can use this sauce as a dressing on salads, for marinating the meat, and for a dipping sauce for seafood. Coriander chutney is a must-have chutney or sauce in any Indian household. It enhances the taste of many Indian dishes and acts as a great accompaniment for pakoras and samosas. Try it as dipping sauce or as a spread in a vegetable sandwich. The method is easy and the taste is refreshing. CHERMOULA is a sauce from North Africa. Some of the ingredients are garlic, coriander, parsley, saffron, and cilantro. Traditionally, it is served with grilled seafood. You can have this sauce with roasted vegetables and grilled meats too. PERI is a famous sauce from Chile. Chileans have this spicy sauce during barbecues and asados. It is most enjoyed over toasted bread, but it goes well with salads, meats, and empanadas. The recipe varies with region to region, with tomatoes, cilantro, and habanero peppers being the main ingredients. Sriracha is a famous sauce from Indonesia. It combines the ingredients of herbs, citrus, peppers, and fish sauce. Traditionally, it is made using mortar and pestle. This makes it chunkier and less acidic as compared to other Southeast Asian hot sauces. Tikmali is sauce which originates from the country Georgia. The taste is tangy and sour. People call it a cross between chutney and ketchup. It is usually served with meats and potato dishes and mixed in stews. It is a plum sauce whose taste varies according to the ripeness of the plums, as they are either green ones or red ones. GOCHUJANG is a hot sauce from South Korea having fermented soybeans, chilies, and sticky rice as its ingredients. It has a thick consistency and used as a finishing sauce like sriracha, but it is perfect to use in cooking. You can use this sauce to coat fried or grilled vegetables and meats or add it to soups. Try this hot Bajan pepper sauce from Barbados, and you will forget that Tabasco sauce ever existed. Locals love it and are proud of it. Mustard, Scotch bonnet, a Caribbean pepper, and vinegar are its ingredients. The best use of this sauce is to put on seafood and meat. Molho apimentado originates from Brazil. This sauce is versatile as it can be enjoyed as a dip for roasted vegetables, marinade for meat, and seasoning for grilled meats. It is popularly known as a hot sauce, but you can vary the spiciness or the heat according to your liking while retaining the flavorful taste. Shrewsbury sauce originates from Britain. This sauce is made with savory ingredients like flour, butter, and red currant jelly. It is a great accompaniment with any pork dish. PERI is a popular sauce from Turkey. It is made with ingredients like olive oil, mint, parsley, and Greek yogurt. It works well on appetizers like toast or crackers and even grilled fish. Chocolate is a spicy relish originating from South Africa. It is made using basic ingredients like tomatoes, onions, peppers, and beans. It is full of flavors and has a thick consistency. It works well with side dishes and as a topping for meat and bread. AGRODOLCE is another famous sauce which originates from Italy. Though Italy is popular for giving many tomato-rich sauces like marinara and ragus, AGRODOLCE is no less. The name translates to sour sweet, and it tastes the same. It is a sticky sauce that has sugar and balsamic vinegar combined. You can customize your dishes of fruits and vegetables using this sauce. Nam Jimjeo is a popular sauce originating from Thailand. There are many sauces from Thailand, but this one stands out because of its smoky and sharp flavor. The main ingredients are toasted rice powder and dried chili powder with fish sauce, lime juice, and other herbs. These are then mixed and served with any grilled vegetable or meat. Guaysacaca is an avocado salsa from Venezuela. Since it has a rich flavor, it goes well with everything from grilled steak, salads, and tacos. It can be spiced up by adding peppers or hot sauce to the mix. If you are looking for an extreme hot sauce, then it has to be Tabasco. It originated from Louisiana and is made of habanero chilies, the hottest chilies in the world. Shug is associated with Israeli cuisine and is originated from Yemen. There are two varieties of shug, green and red. The green one is made with olive oil, green chilies, cilantro, and garlic, whereas the red one is made with tomatoes, red chilies, and other spices. Peri is a popular sauce from Portuguese. It is made from bird's eye chilies. You must have seen peri chicken in many restaurants which have the taste of the hot peri. The spice is manageable because of the mild taste of peppers and other acidic elements like lime and vinegar to cut the heat. Harissa originates from Africa. It is made from chilies and cumin until they are granular instead of being smooth. It is found everywhere in parts of North Africa, just like mustard sauce and ketchup in other parts of the world. Since it has olive oil and garlic, the sauce is spicy. There is no wonder to guess the place from where salsa belongs. There is a wide variety of salsa found in Mexican cuisine. You can choose any type of salsa in tortilla wraps according to your taste. Most typical salsa used is green and red, made from ingredients like tomatoes and avocados, as well as onion and garlic.
Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.